Hi everyone. I want to provide you a little bit of information about independent and dependent variables for your upcoming assignment. Independent variables, the way I always describe the independent variables to my student is that it's something that you change. Okay? Something that is changed in the experiment or something that's changed in the research. Whereas the dependent variable is what happens after the independent variable changes. For example, you've got a question here. What is the relationship between teaching method and engagement in class? So if you look at that, what would you think would be the independent variable? What would be being changed in there? Yeah, it would be the teaching method. And then the dependent variable would be the engagement of the students in class. There's not a lot of information provided in that question, but what do you think would be the constants in that question? Well, if this were more appropriately stated, if it were, it might say, what is the relationship between the teaching method in a high school English class? And engagement, student engagement in class. Okay, so the constant would be something that everybody has regardless of the teaching method. So it would be, they would be in a high school English class. Let's look at another one. This one states, what is the relationship between socioeconomic status and tardiness to school? Okay, so what's the independent variable? Socioeconomic status. Now that's not something you change, but it's something that affects, or you're looking for how it affects tardiness. So tardiness would be the dependent variable, and I made that up. I don't know, I have a clue if there's a relationship between those two. I know it's not a cause and effect relationship. So what do you think would be the constants? What would be the same in that question? In that experiment, they would all be going to school. So that would be the constant. Now you can have more than one constant, as you will see in your assignment that you have. Thank you. I'll talk to you next time.